Hello, friends and fans at Branded. It's Michael from Michael's Health Answers, back with a little update. Natasha, what a great idea. Your first 90-day challenge set me free from worrying about what people would think about my funny smile. Um, I have now got 161 videos on my YouTube channel, and with this challenge, put another 90 in, it's going to bring me up to 251. I have an arsenal of information available for people who want to learn about natural health and about how communication lessons and skills can set you apart from the rest of the people online and make you better at what you do and how you do it. So thank you, Natasha. Your challenge comes at just the perfect time. I'm starting a new offering, and for the next 90 days, I'm going to be giving one healthy eating, healthy exercise, or healthy attitude tips for all my followers following me in my healthy food and healthy eating endeavors. So I will be sharing these as my contribution to the challenge. They're not mostly aren't product based. They're just specific things about how you can handle your food, how you could process your food, how you could store your food, where you should buy your food, what type of food you should buy, what supplements I recommend. Although I won't get specifically into a bunch of company stuff. It's just what they are, why they're good. Really simple lessons that people can have takeaways from, so they know whether they want to try this thing and whether it'll work for them. I know it's worked for me. I only share what works for me, which is one of the reasons I am proud to say I am branded for life. There are skills and lessons available here that if you need to learn them, you won't find a better place online to learn them. And I know because I've looked at 3 or 4 places in my 2 years online, and I can tell you for a fact, Natasha, what you do has a power and you have a gift for helping people dig into themselves and figure out what they are, what they have to say, and what is uniquely theirs. Those things that are not a company, a product, a service, or some coach. No disrespect intended. We all need coaches at different parts of the journey and at different times when we need education. We have to get teachers, but really, when it comes down to saying who we are, what we do, and why we do it, that has to come from inside us. So thank you for helping me clarify that for my audience, so at least now they know what I'm talking about and why they might want to listen to me. So thank you, Natasha. It's been a blast, and I look forward to sharing what I'm up to for the next 90 days with you and your branded community. You all rock. Thanks. Take care. Have a great new year, and I'm looking forward to 90 days of video blogging. This is day one. I'm going to do 2 a day till I'm back on schedule, and then I will keep up with the pack because that's just what I'm going to do. Take care and have a great day.